Hello dear guys, dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum, I am Shadman Abid. Today I will disclose how to utter the English alphabets. We know there are 26 letters in English alphabet, but 11 are exceptional in utterance. They are A, G, H, P, Q, A, T, W, and G. By uttering correct pronunciation, we can correct our English language as apple, ginger, kite, teacher, together, etc. So dear guys, look at the whiteboard. Correct pronunciation of English alphabet A to G. Okay? There are 26 letters in the whiteboard. That's A, not A. Okay? That's A. That's G. G. That's H. It's not H. It's H. It's J. It's not J. Okay? It's J. K. K. That's P. That's Q. R. It's not R. Okay? It's R. T. W. And G. It's not Z. It's G. Z double O. So its spelling is Jew. Okay? So dear guys, my Shamim sir inspired me to do this video. Please do not forget to like, comment and share the page. Thank you.